Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install PhpStorm on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon Mac. This guide works for both. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can also use Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. In the search bar type Download PhpStorm and hit Enter. Look for the official JetBrains website in the search results and click on it. I'll also leave the link in the video description. Once you're on the PhpStorm download page, select your Mac type, either Intel or Apple Silicon, and click the Download button. Save the installer file to your Downloads folder. The download time will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click on it. A new window will pop up. Drag and drop the PhpStorm app icon into the Applications folder. This will copy PhpStorm to your Applications folder. Once that's done, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash to free up space. Now, open Finder, go to the Applications folder, and locate PhpStorm. Double-click to open it. If you see a pop-up that says, PhpStorm is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Simply click Open to proceed. After launching PhpStorm for the first time, you'll need to accept the user agreement. Click Continue to proceed. If you have a subscription or license key, click Activate Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to use PhpStorm's free version. That's it. You've successfully installed PhpStorm on your Mac. Now you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.